Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Apple Watch Ultra 2 not charging. So, if you're interested, let's get started. So, in this case, the first thing that you can try doing here is you want to turn off and on your Apple Watch. Now, if your watch is not charging, one thing you could try here is turning it off and on. Sometimes it actually solves a lot of issues here, especially if there are any glitches on the actual device. So what you need to do is you want to press and hold the side button for about like a few seconds. Now, until you see the power off slider here, in this case, you want to go and just slide it to power off. Now, once it's off, press and hold the side button again to turn the watch back on. Sometimes this simple restart can help with the watch help the watch recognize the charging connection. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, you could actually try resetting the Apple Watch Ultra 2 here. So in this case, what you need to do is you could basically unlock your watch here and make sure it's not on the charger. So remove it. Now, you want to press and hold both the digital crown, so it's going to be this one, as well as the side button for about 10 seconds. Now, you should see the Apple logo appear on the screen indicating that the watch is resetting, and once the watch has reset, check the charging status again. Now, this reset essentially reboots the system, which can help resolve any glitches preventing the watch from charging properly. Now, after performing this reset, place the watch on the charger again and check if the charging, or in this case, it's now charging. Now, if it charges successfully, then the reset has worked. Now, if not, there could be a more serious issue here, so may need to contact Apple support. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.